guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while that I've recorded something and it feels a bit strange, but I am back hopefully for more of a consistent basis. But you know, usually when a YouTuber is off, it's usually because there's a lot going on and they're trying to juggle life. So that's kind of where we are right now, you know. So if you're new here, hi, welcome to Unspoken Words, where we're all about making the natural hair community a community, helping you to love yourself and your hair. So on this channel, we do a range of different things. I do a lot of DIY products and test a lot of DIY slash oils to see if it's what it does to my natural hair, if it helps it, doesn't help it, my natural hair loves it or not. I also do other things like advice, whether that's for hair or just everyday life, and what else? I'm saying a lot, but yeah. And also I do spoken word pieces. I haven't done one, I've not recorded one in a while and posted it, but I do have a couple that I do need to create into a video, and the ones I have posted I want to do it where I'm actually showing my face and saying it as well. So that's kind of what I have for my spoken word pieces, but that's gonna come with time. Still trying to know how to balance life. But yeah, every time I balance life, it's like something new comes up. That's besides the point. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can get hair oil out of your fabric, because sometimes when you wash your clothes and you have oil stains from your hair or any kind of product that has some kind of heavy oil in it, and that's kind of stained your clothes, your fabric, whatever it is you're using, it can be quite hard to get out of. So that's why I created this video. I tried it with my coat because I don't know, I did a video but I've not actually edited it or posted it, so but I kind of put like a snippet where I kind of show the fabric stain, just kind of show you what it looks like, and then I'll have to record my coat so that you can see it. But my coats, because the hood most especially, because obviously it touches the nape of my scalp, so whenever I've just recently oiled my hair or I still have product that's still absorbing, but I need to go and I have to put my coat on, you know, but my coat will be absorbing that oil or those heavy oiled hair products. So even when I washed it, it would still like be there, and it wouldn't be coming out with the washing machine. So what I decided to do is that I started doing laundry stripping, and that's basically kind of what I'm going to be talking about for this video, how you can do the same thing. So I'm going to be posting some videos up on the screen, just kind of show you what I've done. Right now I'm showing you a couple of clothing items that I have, oil stains, hair oil, heavy products, heavy hair products on. Just kind of showing you what I do. I think the purple one is what I used to dry my hair with, and the top, which is kind of it needs to be washed, but I needed something to, because when I'm doing my hair I do like to remove the product when I'm going to move into a new section, and what I usually use is that purple one. Once I've used it to dry my hair, I'll use that, but it got to the point where it was already kind of full of hair products, and there wasn't like a space for me to use. So I decided, okay, I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to go and toss it in the wash anyway. And when I say there wasn't any more space for me, it's within the same time period or that same day when I do cream my hair, because I'm quite heavy-handed with my hair products and I'm trying to like slow it down, but it's like really not working. But you know, we're getting there. We're supposed to be getting there anyway. But yeah, so that's why I used the second one. So both of them have oil stains on it, and what I do is that I get a bucket. You can get whatever you have. Maybe there's those smaller ones you can get from Poundland, Home Bargains, anywhere really. But you know, the cheaper the better, because you're really only going to use it to kind of do some laundry stripping. So what I do is I get a bucket, I put some laundry detergent powder inside of it. The amount that you use is going to depend on how much clothes that you're going to put in there. The amount that I used, I mean, you can use it for probably about three items of clothing, but I think I put more than I will be showing you later on in the video. More items of clothing, that is. So yeah, just kind of play around with it and see what works for you, and also the amount of water you put is going to determine how concentrated that solution is going to be. So I put the powder in, and then I put some warm to hot water inside of it, to the level that I did it to that level because obviously I was going to add more clothes in there, but I only showed you like me adding 2 of them because it's only those 2 that I needed to, that had the hair oil, so I couldn't, there was no point in me showing you those ones and the other ones anyway, but I ramble. So once I have put the water in and I've mixed it around, make sure the powder is dissolved, then I add in the clothes. And once I've done that, I just kind of leave it to allow the laundry detergent to kind of strip all that gunk out overnight. Now, the time I did it was around 2 something, 2:15 probably, so I'm going to be leaving it a little bit more than overnight, but it's just leave it at least a minimum of overnight, so about, should we say, 9 hours, but you can leave it for longer, just don't overdo it. Like, you know, you can just like, I mean, me, I'm leaving it for another 9 hours roughly ish, not really, but yeah, that's what I do. So once you have left it in for a minimum of 9 hours, just kind of let it soak, let it strip and all of that stuff, then you just dump it in the washing machine and do a regular cycle, washing cycle, and, you know, dry it the way you would usually dry your clothes, and that's it. That's basically it. And all the oil stains should have come out of it. Should have just kind of, it should be looking brand new. It should even look a little bit brighter because of laundry stripping is a normal technique that people do anyway, outside of just normally like with their rugs and all that kind of stuff. I just kind of use it more so for the clothes that I get hair products on. Yeah, so let me know if you try this out and how it works for you, how many hours you did. Do you have a measurement or ratio of powder detergent to water ratio, depending on the amount of clothes and the heaviness and the thickness and the fabric and all of that stuff, and whether it's a top or crop top or jeans, whatever it may be? Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Help us all out because I just kind of eyeball it, to be quite honest. That's yes, that's it everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next video. That is